Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to solve widget loading problem on your home screen Google. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting. Scroll down. Click on apps. Click on search bar and search Google. And click on Google. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear all data. Tap on OK. Click on three dot menu. Tap on other settings. Tap on reset app preference. Tap on reset app. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.